Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get simulator on DJI RC2. So what you are going to do is this simulator is built directly into the controller software. So if you don't see the simulator button, your system software is outdated. So where you see this, as you can see here at the top corner, DJI simulator, I will open up right now. So yeah, new version available. Okay, not right now. So how you can get this is basically you will need to be connected to your Wi-Fi network. So you can check this uh, in previous video. Also, you can check the playlist. Uh, so also ensure that your controller battery is charged to at least 40%, because from this app, basically is DJI Fly app on this RC2 controller. So we will go here to the profile, then we will go to the settings, and then we will check for firmware update. And if it is, you will download it and install this firmware, and after that you will 100% see this DJI simulator. What you can do next is just simply click on it. It will open up DJI simulator. Wait a bit. And then what we are going to do, basic courses, we can do that. Fly in complex environment. So you can really train here. You will need also to download these maps. So let's try one. And yeah, this is basically how you can get simulator on DJI RC2. Also, uh, play around a little bit, train with this one because it's really useful. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.